Germany to buy F-18E Super Hornet fighters to replace their Tornado jets. They will order 45 fighters from Boeing. F-18E Super Hornet is a twin-engine carrier-capable multi-role fighter jet. These jets incorporate an improved active electronically scanned array radar, larger displays, joint helmet-mounted cuing system, conformal fuel tanks, enhanced engines, an enclosed weapons pod, a next-generation cockpit, a new missile warning system, an internal infrared search and track system and several other avionics replacements. The joint helmet-mounted cuing system provides multi-purpose situational awareness which includes high-off boresight missile cuing. It features Sharp Reconnaissance Pod, which is a high-resolution digital tactical aerial reconnaissance system that features advanced day and night as well as all-weather capability.